the country of the blind. Oh, Uganda, the pearl of Africa, the land of rivers, lakes, forests and mountains, a paradise to the east, like grow homes, every foreigner is drawn to it. The pain that cuts like bread, Mother Nature bleeds, an agony that crushes down the soul, but people are blind to her skies. The world has turned against nature, vultures roam where beasts played. Humanity, the nature calls upon you, say no to life destruction. Ugandans, what happened to our motherland? The country we felt pride, the country that everyone wished to explore just because of its beauty that was precious in everyone's sight. Brothers, sisters, the entire nation, let's rise to fight for life, not its demise. The future of our motherland, Uganda, is in your hands. For God and my country.